Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Hey y'all. I'm back and I'm doing a grocery restock haul for y'all. So this right here just a little bit of the stuff that I had got. But y'all, when I go to the store, I don't get everything at one time. I go and I buy sales. Y'all know how I am. I'm a bargain type of girl. So whenever I can get a bargain, that's when I go to the store. So anywho, welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome back to all my old subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, y'all, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to the right and hit the bell to be notified each and every time that I upload a video. Y'all, I know I'm looking rough, but please excuse me. Okay, so let's get into this video, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. I went to Rose's, I went to Sam's Club, and I went to the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna show y'all what I purchased. So we're gonna start over here and work our way around, and it's all mixed in, y'all. So I went and got some of those all right there, 120 count pot. I use that for grandma because she can't have all that scented stuff. So, because her skin is so sensitive. So, to avoid having any more problems, I buy her the all. Y'all know I done showed y'all in the haul before. So anyway, so that came from Sam's and it was $9 and something. And I normally, for these 120, and I normally go to Walmart and get the ones that's in the containers. They used to come with 80 in there. But then they went down to, I think, like 72 for almost $9. So I said, let me go ahead and snag that on up and get that good deal right there. They had pretty good instant savings today in my store. Oh, and let me say, welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome back to all my old subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, y'all, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button to the right and hit the notification bell so you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. Okay? All right. So anyway, along with that, okay, so when I went to Rose's, I bought this top jar, the lemon scent. And from the Dollar Tree, I bought my husband some more of these little, lunch containers. I bought 3 of them from the Dollar Tree and 3 packs of the paper plates, and they come 30 in a pack. And I normally do like those as long as they don't change them up to they real flimsy like the ones from the Dollar General, then I'm alright. So from Rose's, they had this lemon scent all-purpose cleaner. So I got that, just to go through my house and wipe stuff down, make it smell good, maybe even mop with it if, it holds up. So I got that from Rose's, and that big container was only $1, y'all. And that is the 67 fluid ounce. I'm gonna try to be quick with this haul too, y'all. So then, y'all know I like to use the Fabuloso, right? But the Walmart brand. So when I went to Rose's, they had this right here for $1, and it smells just like the real Fabuloso. But it's gonna have a little bit different, just a little bit different scent. But to me, it's close to it, just like the Walmart's one. I'm gonna say they fall number 3 in line because the Dollar Tree sells some, and I don't like the one from the Dollar Tree. So this one smells way better than the one from the Dollar Tree. It almost smells like the Walmart brand of the Fabuloso. It ain't all the way there, but close to the name brand Fabuloso. But it's a step up under the Walmart one, if y'all want to know what they smell like. So they smell pretty good to me, so that's why I picked me up 4 of them, because for $1 you can't beat that. And it's the same size that I get at Walmart for like almost $2 and something. So anywho, probably about $2. So anywho, so then back at the Dollar Tree, they had these new body wash for men. So it's supposed to smell like the Old Spice. And so I said, when I smelled it, I said, let me give it a try, because they be having some pretty good smelling body washes in the Dollar Tree. Y'all don't sleep on the Dollar Tree because, honey, body washes be smelling good. So anyway, I also purchased him the Power Stick one, and this is the 3-in-1 for men, cool water. And I got him 2 of those just to try it out to see, how he would like how it smell. I'm just trying two new different ones on him, see what he say, and see what he think about it. I know 3 and 2. I ain't gonna try one. I should be trying one of each, but they smell good to me, so I'm just hoping it was gonna smell good to him. So anyway, I got me 2 more of the ibuprofen from the Dollar Tree, and also I got grandma some coconut oil hair grease, and I got her 2 more of them muscle roll, and 4 of the Colgate toothpaste that's in there. Now y'all, tell me what's been going around about this toothpaste. I keep hearing, I heard Risa talking about something about toothpaste, the Colgate toothpaste from Mexico, and I tried to look it up to see what was going on, but I didn't have no success. So if y'all could let me know what they've been talking about with the Colgate toothpaste, please let me know. And because that's my favorite toothpaste. So anyway, at Rose's they had this air freshener, and I never tried it, but it smelled good. So for $1, hey, I can't beat that. I'm gonna try it out and see what it's like. And I got 2 packs of 20 count styrofoam cups from Rose's. From the Dollar Tree, I purchased 2 of the 100 count paper towels and 2 of the black pepper. Now y'all can't beat this. Look at this big container of black pepper. 2 ounces of black pepper for just $1 in the Dollar Tree. That's bigger than the ones that they normally have in the little white in the white containers, if y'all know what I'm talking about. Also I want to try these razors right here, the 6 blade razors from the Dollar Tree, and this right here for grandma when she's taking a shower. I want to see how this works sticking to my wall or whatever in the bathroom, so it'll hold her soap. Okay, so now from Rose's, remember I told y'all about this tissue that's $2.50, 2 for $5. If I get tissue from the Dollar Tree, I'm gonna get 3 packs of the 4 count 12 rolls to add up to 12 rolls. And by getting those 3 packs, it's costing me $3. By getting one of these 12 packs, it's costing me $2.50. So I'm saving 50 cents by going to Rose's and get this tissue, and it's pretty good to me. I ain't got no problem with it, y'all. Okay, so from the Dollar Tree, I also purchased some of these hair clips, and let me see, I got 2 of the 2 plastic forks and 2 of the plastic spoons from Rose's, and you get 51 in a pack with these, y'all, instead of the standard 48 from the Dollar Tree, and they only cost $1. All right, so now from the Dollar Tree, I purchased a spray bottle, and I also got some of this carpet air freshener, and I like to put it in a little box, you know, when my cat scratch around, you know, it won't be so, the scent won't be so bad, you know, when she used the bathroom and be scratching around and stuff in there. So when she scratch around, it's gonna spread around her little air freshener in her house, child, in her bathroom. I want her bathroom to smell good too. So anyway, I got those from the Dollar Tree for $1, and they are the 16.3 ounce. Okay, and then I also got the hand soap. Y'all know about the hand soap. I got me some of these containers right here. I want to try to, you know, see how to to organize my refrigerator. That's what I got them for, to organize my refrigerator. And I got one of the little dish rags. I never tried them before, but I want to try it out and see how I like it. You know, because it's okay that it's small. I just don't want to leave dishes on the counter or whatever. So, moving right along, I got 2 more of these bleach right here from Rose's. As y'all can see, they are only $1, honey. $1 for the gallon size. And remember, the Dollar Tree used to carry those, but they stopped carrying them. You know, they used to have them in there every now and then. Now they don't get them no more. So they go to Rose's, and that's where I go to get it from. Okay, so now from Sam's, I told y'all one time before, this is the dish detergent that I like to go and buy from Sam's. So if you and it's only like what, $4.90, I think it is, a gallon size. It's only $4 and something. I want to say it's $4.78. I want to say that. Okay, so then from Sam's, I also got some of this fabric softener. Now, y'all, I've used I've tried some of this fabric softener, and when I tell you that fabric softener smells so good. I mean, it have your clothes smelling so good. And then even to me, it smells just like Game. It smells just like Game. So I was like, oh, so when I went to Sam's, they had this on sale for like $12 and something. Normal price of it is like $15 and something for this 220 load size. So I went ahead on and snatched that on Honey because I love how this, I don't know how to say it. I ain't even gonna mess it up. So I love how that smells or whatever. So anyway, that's the end of the haul, you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this haul. I hope you guys see something new that y'all want to go to the store and get, because that's what some of y'all be doing to me when y'all be on here doing them hauls and stuff, and I be watching y'all and be tempting me to go out and shop. Alright y'all, so from Walmart back here, look, I got a lot of snacks this time because my husband, y'all, he got to have his snacks. So this particular time I got a lot of snacks. So I got the 2 cheddar and sour cream potato chips from Walmart, and I also got this loaf of bread from Walmart and those 3 packs of taco seasoning from Walmart. I also purchased some taco shells because I want to make some tacos. So I got some of those, and I like the crunchy tacos, and I get the soft shells for grandma. And I got some bacon bits for whenever I do my green beans or whatever I want to put it in. And then I got a bottle of ketchup, y'all. Y'all ain't seen no ketchup in a long time because I've been using them ketchup packs up there, but I'm tired of squeezing. So I went and bought me a bottle of ketchup. And then I got some Viennas from Walmart for grandma. And got me some tomato paste for when I make my spaghetti. And also from Walmart, I'm going to show y'all these before I go right there. Also from Walmart, I got this symphony candy for my husband. He loves this candy. And it is this kind right here, creamy milk chocolate and almonds with toffee chips. It's okay. I don't really like it because of toffee chips, but he loves it. Okay, so then I also got these pecan swirls. This something he picked out. I picked out Nutty Buddy balls for me. And then he picked out these strawberry shortcake swirls, the fancy cakes, and I picked out the Star Crunch for the both of us. And then also from Walmart, I got 12 cans of green beans and 12 cans of corn. And I also picked up 2 cans of peaches, 2 cans of fruit cocktails for grandma, and I picked up 2 cans of the hot dog chip. Now back over here at Sam's, they had this hot sauce, the Crystal hot sauce. They had the 3-pack for $2.90 something, 98 cents, I want to say. Can't beat that. So then I also purchased from Sam's this yellow rice. I like to get this yellow rice. It's pretty good to me. If you haven't tried it, y'all should try it. It's pretty good. Okay, so then moving right along, I went and bought my box of salt because that's where I like to get my salt from Sam's. And it's only like $1.40 for this whole big box. It's a 4-pound box. And so from Walmart, back again at Walmart, I went and got me some ranch dressing, some apple cider vinegar, some Alfredo, and I like to use this Bertolli Alfredo sauce. You get 2 in a pack for like $3 and something. I like to use that. And then if I need any extra, then I get the Ragu roasted garlic parmesan. And so that's my salsa for my tacos. I got me some self-rising flour, some cheddar cheese for my tacos, double cheddar Ragu cheese for my tacos. For those of you that know me, y'all know I love pancakes, and I like this pancake mix from Walmart, the extra fluffy, or the other brand that they used to have, but I tried this one. I like this one even better. And then also from Walmart, I got some hot dogs for the house. I got a pack of cheese, and I got grandma 2 things of bologna for whenever she wants to have her sandwich or whatever. And I also purchased some Andy's sausages. Now back at Sam's, I got this oil. Y'all know I always get this cooking oil, and it's the vegetable one. And I also got my bag of rice. Now, if this is your first time seeing this bag of rice, then y'all should try it. But for those of you that know, y'all know that this is my favorite bag of rice that I get from Sam, the parboiled rice. And you cannot go wrong with this rice. This rice is really, really good. Okay, so I got one more thing to show y'all, and I'm gonna stop the camera, then I'm gonna go over here to that's the final thing from Sam's. I purchased grandma some pork fried skins or whatever. That big container was like, I want to say it was like $6 and something for the big container. Honey, grandma gonna be in hog heaven with these skins. And they pretty good. I tried some last night with me, some hot sauce and some ranch dressing. It was pretty good. So this, okay y'all, so that is the end of the haul. It was short, it was sweet, but it was a restock of everything that I needed, because y'all, my cabinet is bare. So it's still a few more things that I gotta go and get, because they didn't have everything when I went to the store. So I gotta go back, you know, to get the last little odds and ends of things that I need. But I'm not too pressed about it, because whatever it is right about now, I can't even think what it is, but whatever it is, you know, whenever I need it, then I'll go and get it. So it is what it is. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Until next time, this your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Peace, love, and blessings to each and every one of you guys. Bye, y'all.